Tech moves fast, and so do we. Welcome, where we explore the latest trends, coolest gadgets, and smartest innovations. Subscribe now to stay updated in the tech world. Let's dive in.
Upgraded electric arc lighter technology, windproof design, aluminum alloy casting, ergonomic design, comfortable grip, door switch safety lock control, safer to use, aluminum ceramic contacts, high temperature resistance, no deformation, windproof even under strong wind, Type-C charging port, turns off automatically when fully charged, multi-purpose use, safe and convenient. Smart circuit prevents overheating by shutting off the electric arc after working continuously for 7 seconds. It will turn off after idling for 10 seconds to ensure safety. Battery power indicator. Multiple colors options. A brand new ignition method.
This little guy is a rechargeable, battery-operated, flameless arc lighter. This is going to replace matches that you have used in the past, whether you're lighting candles or a campfire. This thing is incredible. It's easy to charge. This incredible little lighter is from Rechargeable. As you can see, it's an arc lighter, which means that it is windproof, flameless, easy to store, you can take it anywhere, and you don't have to worry about the wind blowing out your flame or any other problems that you might have with traditional matches, whether you're lighting your outdoor campfire and bonfire, your fireplace or stove, or you just need it to light a candle.